Turn our attention to First Alert meteorologist Nelly Carreño, right, to talk about the First Alert weather day you guys have issued for tomorrow, because we have a risk of strong to severe storms, right?
Exactly. We are at a level 2 risk for all of North Texas. The main threat will be the possibility of damaging winds, also some large hail, unfortunately, and the risk of a tornado is low, but it's not zero. So let's go ahead and take a look at our headlines. We talked about Tuesday, tomorrow, strong to severe thunderstorms. Not everybody will see a severe storm, but some of us will. Now, storm chances will continue through the weekend. It doesn't mean that every day is a washout. Wednesday, for example, is looking a little bit drier. Thursday's looking a little bit wetter. Heavy rain threat is increasing. What does that mean? It means that towards the end of the week, after we've had a lot of rain, we have to watch for some localized flooding. So taking a look at the next couple of days, because I know everybody's got activities, things going on. And as I mentioned, no one day will be a complete washout. Tomorrow, we have those strong to severe storms. But if you have activities in the morning commute, looking okay. The afternoon and early evening, not as good. Wednesday, isolated storms, 30% chance. It's not a washout. Then we go over to Thursday, 70% chance of rain. Some of that rain could be heavy, and we're looking over into Friday, some isolated storms too. So we do have quite a few days with that possibility of rain happening. But let's take a look at why we're seeing this activity. First of all, in order to have strong storms, we need to have heat. Take a look at this. We're at 90 degrees right now. It's so humid. It's so windy. These are our current wind gusts. We are gusting to 40 miles per hour in Fort Worth, 39 miles per hour. So we continue with those windy conditions. That will go on through this late evening. Tomorrow, the winds will start to die down just a little bit, even though that's when the actual front comes through. Now, it feels like 95, 93 because of humidity. I'm sure you felt it. It is very humid out there. So this is a dry front, separates dry air from humid air. That's where some storms will develop later on today, but they would have to travel hundreds of miles towards us. That's why the threat has really lowered today for seeing activity. So right now it's quiet. I can't rule out a shower, an isolated thunderstorm later on this evening, but this is where the dry line is, west of San Angelo. So they would have to travel the storms a long way. But tomorrow, the front will be much closer. This is the whole area where we have a level 2 threat. And the main concern, straight line winds that could be damaging. They could be just as dangerous as a low end tornado. So 60 to 65 mile per hour gusts, some could even be a little bit stronger than that. With some of the cells, not all of us will see damaging winds. A low flooding threat, moderate large hail threat. So we could see some large hail with some of those cells, and then a very low tornado threat, but it's not zero. So we have to stay focused on that too. So the timing in the Metroplex between 1 and 6, and I'll show you in just a second, hour by hour, what I'm talking about. Earlier towards the northwest, a little bit later towards the southeast, between 4 to 10 p.m. if you live in Henderson, Anderson, Navarro. So let's go ahead and take it hour by hour. This is today. See, I mentioned that we could have an isolated shower, but most of the activity will die down before it arrives here. So tomorrow morning, cloudy, maybe a little bit of patchy drizzle, but here we go. This is noontime tomorrow. We start to see the line develop, a broken line of storms that are strong to severe. Look at this. This is 2 o'clock over the Metroplex, Collin, Denton, and then it finally starts to move to the southeast. This is 5 o'clock. So maybe it will miss most of the afternoon commute for the Metroplex, but southeast of us, it will still be very strong, and large hail is a possibility. So be aware of that. Not as hot tomorrow with 84, close to 80 degrees for the next few days.